Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Does Deel pay in local currency? I know that this is a really important question for a lot of people, so I'm excited to be able to provide some clarity on this topic. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to define what I mean by local currency. In this context, I'm referring to the currency that is used in the country where the employee is located. So, if you're an employee who is based in Nigeria, your local currency would be the Nigerian naira. Now, let's get into the answer to the question. Does Deel pay in local currency? The answer is yes. Deel pays employees in their local currency. This means that you will receive your salary in the currency that you use in your everyday life. This is a great benefit because it eliminates the need to worry about currency conversion rates. You won't have to worry about losing money due to fluctuations in the exchange rate. How does Deel pay in local currency? Deel uses a variety of payment methods to pay employees in local currency. These methods include bank transfer, PayPal, Wise, Payoneer. Deel will work with you to determine the best payment method for you. What are the benefits of Deel paying in local currency? There are a number of benefits to Deel paying in local currency. These benefits include no need to worry about currency conversion rates, easier to budget and track your expenses, receive your salary on time, access to a variety of payment methods. How can I get started with Deel? If you're interested in using Deel to pay your employees in local currency, you can sign up for a free account today. Once you've created an account, you can add your employees and start paying them in their local currency. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.